YouTube. Today we'll be playing some CSGO and talking about my bird and CSGO and stuff. Should be a good day. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing Dust Deathmatch. I'm not any good, so I'm probably gonna get like half the amount of kills I do deaths, but that's alright. Just loading screen. Staying sober, off the drugs. Sober more than 2 weeks now, so that'll be good. I always use the Desert Eagle. That's my preferred weapon of choice. I can't hear anything on it though, which is weird. Once I put my headphones in, I just couldn't hear anything. But yeah, I got a Macaw at home, and I was wanting to get a new bird. What do you guys think about that? Should I get a pair of Conures and breed them? Let me know in the comment section. There's a guy behind you, I just know it. But yeah, my Macaw is pretty awesome. He likes to dance. I'm trying to teach him tricks. He pretty much just like does everything. He likes to snuggle. He likes to sit there. He likes to dance. He likes to talk. He's got a really good personality. It's almost like owning a baby or a monkey or something like that. So they're worth all the money, but they're a lot of work, so you gotta watch out for that, fam. Unfortunately, we can't hear the gameplay. I don't know why that is. Once I put my headphones in, I wasn't able to hear it. Yeah, the Conures are a pair of... I don't know, I won't tell you what they are yet. I'll make a video when I get them, though. I'm just using the commentary for now, but really, I'll be making actual videos on my bird. And I might be getting some reptiles, too. Hopefully a boa, hopefully an adult boa. That's breeding size. Not breeding size, but just an adult, right? I like them big, so gotta get a boa. Olive pythons are nice too. I like the olive pythons. I don't even know if I shot that guy. I don't even know if I got him there either. I got more kills than deaths though. Let's see. I got a new mouse. It's called the Hyperspeed X Basilisk type of lizard. That's the mouse I got. This is the Desert Eagle I'm using to shoot. It's like my favorite weapon. It's a semi-automatic handgun, but it's far better than like other weapons, I think. I also like to use the here, I'll show you next time. It's a thingamajig. It's an automatic gun, but not like an AK-47. It's like a different gun. Shout out to Csgo and Goblin. Although I don't watch Goblin anymore because I'm sober. Shout out. I'm just killing all these guys right now. Fucking massacre. You guys should watch all my videos and subscribe and like my videos, please. Subscribe to my videos and watch them more. My problem was aim, but I seem to be doing pretty good aiming right here. Other people seem to be so much better at aiming than me. I don't know why. Maybe they just have more experience with video games. Because I played video games as a kid, but now I'm just starting to play video games again. So I don't actually have a lot of experience playing video games. Getting lots of kills. For me, this is lots of kills. Make sure to share it on Facebook and get lots of views onto this video. Share it with your friends and tell them all to watch it. I got 1 subscriber, I believe. I remember I had a reptile channel, and it's pretty easy to get subscribers that way. But with these channels, I feel like it's harder playing video games and stuff like that. Let's see, how many kills and deaths do I have? 15 kills and 14 deaths. That's good for me, though. Can't even hear the game. It's annoying. I don't like long range shooting with any weapon for some reason. What's your gaming setup? Let me know, guys. Oh, I'm actually winning here for once. I don't like long distance, I'll just avoid that. There we go, killed that. It said someone else killed him, what the fuck? That guy behind me. There we go, let's see. What did I get? I didn't get first or third or anything. I did pretty good on that one though. 21 kills and 16 deaths, that's pretty damn good. End of game.